Okay, everybody, I'm getting ready to go ahead and mix up some prodiamine in my sprayer and demonstrate how it works. I love the way it's just all compact now. I don't have pipes and hoses going everywhere, and it looks pretty professional. So I'm proud of myself. So again, I got my intake going through my strainer, my pump, discharging into my pressure regulator, shut off valve to keep it circulating. And like I mentioned, the one thing I don't like is the pressure never gets to a point where this pump goes off. So I'm gonna have to get another pump because this pump is only rated at 70 psi, and it's at 2 point. I think it's either 2.3, 2 point. It's a low gallons per minute. I think it's only 2.3, 2.8, 2 point. Looks like the tab is ripped, so it looks like a 2.0 or 2.3 gallons per minute. So on the one Connor Ward used on his channel, he had, I think he had like a 90 psi, and the gallons per minute was much, much higher. So as soon as I get everything hooked up, I will get back with you. Okay, the calculations causes for 5.07 ounces of prodiamine. So I put 3 in there first, and now I just put 2.07 in there. So that's a total of 5.07. And I use GrassDaddy, GrassDaddy.net, GrassDaddy.net to do my prodiamine calculations because, they're pretty straightforward and just simple to use. So other than that, you have to do the calculations yourself, which are not hard to do. Just read the label. I think it's like 0.84 or 0.47 per thousand square feet for 6 months. And since I'm doing a 6-month calculation or treatment, I am going to put down 5.07 over 12,000 square feet. I'm only treating 12,000 square feet of my yard, which is the 2 fronts and the 2 sides. And I'll do the back tomorrow. But I just want to show you how well the sprayer works and let you check it out. All right, so this is how I mix anything I put in my tank. I got this bilge pump. This thing is like, I don't know, 300 or 600 gallons per minute or per hour or something like that. But it's like super strong, man. This thing's gonna be going around all up in there as soon as I turn it on. But it's gonna mix up my chemical. So I will just turn this on. And I'll let you see how that thing's working in there. You see down in there? I mean, it's killing it, man. So I'll let that run for about a couple of minutes, get that prodiamine mixed up. And I was trying to think of a way to install a permanent pump in there that I can just turn on, something smaller that'll just keep mixing my solution in the tank. But and then when I'm rolling it around the yard, I just kind of shake it up, agitate it. All right, so let me get in position. And I don't know how well this microphone is gonna work from a distance because this will be my first time testing it. from a distance from the camera, but it is wireless, so it should work. What I have on here, I think I have a 50-foot hose on here. So I'm gonna get about right here. All right, YouTubers and fans, friends, loved ones, that is it. Hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Helps the channel, helps it grow, and I appreciate it. So remember, everybody, to make this world a better place, treat people the way you want them to treat you and not the way they treat you. All right? Thanks for watching. See you next time.